So it is week 3, day 4. My son woke up very, very early this morning. I have worked out. I have done my 15-minute room rescue. I am going to be doing, it's rainy day, so we are going to be, I think we might just do the weekly home blessing on the lower level today and have it done because we have guests coming for the 4th of July. I have changed our sheets. I just put the sheets from the lower level in, so I'm going to be doing 2 loads of laundry today. So as far as the weekly home blessing that I have completed, days 1 through 3, I have changed the sheets. I am working on the lower level sheets, so that's kind of added in today. I have emptied all the trashes. I'm going to finish the sheets downstairs in the guest room, change all the sheets and blankets, get them all washed for our guests. I had a friend of mine who had told me that she always washes sheets before guests come, not after they leave, because then she knows there's no question that the beds are clean and ready for new guests, which I really liked, because if it's been a long time in between, you might be like, oh, did I wash them or did I not? So I'm toying with that. That's what I did between Memorial Day and the 4th, is wash the sheets right before they come. I haven't decided if I like that. I kind of like just washing them right when the guests leave. I'll figure it out. Probably will wash them after they leave for the 4th. But then the cat lays on them and I have to wash them again anyway, so we'll see. Anyway, today I plan on dusting and cleaning all the mirrors and windows because I have to catch up on one. I've only gotten the sheets and the trashes done, and by day 4 I should have 4 tasks done. So I think I'm going to do mirrors and dusting today. I might vacuum as well. We'll see. We'll see. I just don't know if there's time. Good morning. It is Friday of 4th of July weekend, and all the things that I had wanted to get done are not done. So I am very behind. I'm back to feeling kind of tired in the afternoon and evening, and yesterday I did not get what I wanted to get done. So in addition to being a bit behind on my the stuff I don't love doing, like data entry for my job, which I have quite a bit to catch up on, I'm also behind on my FlyLady checklists. So I have a lot to do before having guests on Sunday. Now, what I keep telling myself is, last time I had guests over, getting everything prepped, even if it's in a not great state, was still so much easier than it ever used to be. So I think we're going to do a party prep video from today and tomorrow, so Friday and Saturday, because then we have a family coming over on Sunday. So just to kind of give you an idea of what I left the kitchen like, I have a sink full of dishes. I still have stuff on the counter. I went to Costco, so I have some food to put away. I have food in the fridge that needs to be broken down and for the freezer. And then this morning I dropped my son's dinner from last night on the floor as I was trying to put it into the garbage. So now there is meatball crumbs all over the floor. So I went to get my trusted vac mop, and the battery was dead. So I'm just trying to avoid it right now because I'm lazy and the broom is all the way downstairs. So I'm going to make my getting ready for guests list. Everything I need to do today and tomorrow. Tomorrow night we are going over to a friend's house. Sunday we have a family coming over here, and Monday we have a parade and carnival to go to. So we have a very, very busy weekend, and it starts today with fun at Chuck E. Cheese and mommy's errands. I've got to get going. So I'm gonna make some coffee, make some breakfast, and get our day started. Let's do this. empty most of the dishwasher except silverware and a pan and our cookie sheet. I could have had this load done yesterday and I put it off. Can you believe it? Good morning. It is Saturday before the 4th of July. We have a party that we are going to tonight at a friend's house, and then tomorrow afternoon we have family coming over to celebrate 4th of July festivities. So today I've put it all off until, of course, I've put it all off until today. Oh, hey Cammie. I've put it all off until today. We are cleaning. And I know I'm going to be deviating from the typical weekly home blessing for an hour. We are going to clean everything and we are going to time it to see how long it takes. Now, I still, I took it as an opportunity of holiday weekend. I slept in. It is about 10:30 and we've had breakfast and we have just relaxed all morning and it's been wonderful. It is time to get into high gear and get everything done. I am going to just start laundry and dishes so that the loads are going. Then I'm going to do my walk and then I'm going to clean. So luckily it's a kind of a gloomy morning. So my son is content being inside and not wanting to be outside to play, which works out well for all the things I have to do on my list. So let's roll. I am going to time how long it takes me to do all the cleaning I want to do. It's kind of a deviation from the FlyLady, only because it's guests. I want to be ready for guests. It'll feel good. But as I learned last time, it was much easier to do than past years. So let's do this. You can see the playroom, aside from running the vacuum through it later. I have convinced my child that it's fun to clean up all the toys so that next time we can come in and just play right away. So we are creating a great habit of cleaning up when we are all done playing. This room just needs to be vacuumed, which you see, honestly feels so good. Usually I will not even do this room. I'll just be like, well, it is what it is. Not today. All right, let's go. All right, I'm gonna start my stopwatch. do to get a load of laundry in and to get the dishes all caught up. Now I'm going to do my 40-minute walk, which I'm not going to time because this is going to be for cleaning. But I'm going to do my 40-minute walk, and then I'm going to do the downstairs level, so it's just done. All right, here is my full 4th of July weekend to-dos. I have some work to do still. This is my cleaning list. Again, it's a little bit more than I normally would do based on FlyLady. And then the food I have to get prepared. All right, I am continuing my cleaning. I'm grabbing my cleaning supplies. I'm gonna start with the bathrooms because those seem to take more time. And I was gonna start downstairs, but my son's pretty settled on the couch, so I'm taking advantage of it. And I'm gonna do the upstairs first. So far we are at 21 minutes, 39 seconds. Let's see how long this all takes. I'm always overly optimistic with my lists. So let's see. I have gotten all the bathrooms done. I've gotten downstairs done. Things in here have gotten busier. Bathrooms are still done. I'm gonna work in here next. We're calling it marathon cleaning everything but this area right here, which we will do. Well, some of it's getting cleaned up tonight because my husband is making a brine. I have food to get prepped, which I will probably do all the food prep tomorrow. So this will likely wait till tomorrow since we are leaving and not having dinner here tonight. Marathon cleaning, but it's all done except the floors. Floors I'm gonna do after.